What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're to make some gains. I've also recently launched a Discord and also a Telegram. So if you're trying to contact me or you're trying to ask some questions, discuss with one another, you can find all of that in the description below. So I've linked my Discord and Telegram at the top of the description almost. So check them out, join in. And so let's start the video. So here I want to talk about this CryptoZOON. So CryptoZOON, I made a video August 22nd, and August 22nd here, as you can see, August 22nd, the price was this much, that. You can see that it was pretty down, but market cap was down, everything, 50x, everything about that. So it had a potential of a 50x. I'm not saying it still has the potential of 50x from this 19 million market cap. But now, if you go to CoinMarketCap actually did a tweet here, and it's actually been only 3 hours since the tweet. So I'm saying you should join in. I told you to join in on August 22nd and August 23rd. If you haven't joined in, join in now. I'm not a financial advisor, please do your own research, but I'm saying join in. You can see here they made everything about like an article on CryptoZOON, all of this. You can see that they're actually giving real rewards for just fighting a normal zombie or whatever. And before it was saying rewards estimated 000 because I think that time it was like still in beta and all of that. But now if you bought your zones that time, you would actually be super profitable right now, like insanely profitable, because in August 22nd you can see I actually made a video before the spike. So August 22nd right here and August 23rd, so it was like right here, and then boom, the coin went to a measly 8 cents, almost 9 cents, and it started off in 3 cents. So now it is also going down, but it can recover, and it's probably gonna beat its all-time high once again, because it's beaten its all-time high here. So if we go to all, it's beaten it by a mile, even beaten it a few times, but this is their actual all-time high before this, and then this one almost beat it, but now look at that. So join in. I'm saying join in. It's super worth it to join in now. Look at this, my guy. This was 12,500, and 12,500 with the price of 3 cents. Let's check that, how much that would be. So if we took 0.0331 times 12,500, you'd be paying $387 for a zone from the random egg starter pack. But you might be like, oh, they actually lowered it. But no, the price is also higher now of ZOON. So it's actually more. So if you put 99999, just to be picky, and then you did times the price. So the price right now, you can see at the top right here, 0.05149. It's $514 now. And it's still going to go higher. It's still going to go higher. It was at 8 cents. Imagine buying 12,500 tokens for it with the price of 8 cents. You know, you're super in loss there, because I said join in before. So now's your time is to join in, because there is some big profits that you can make with this game, and it's actually a pretty cool game. It's still in beta or whatever, but it's not like it is a bad game or a non-profitable game. It's play to earn. It's not the pricey point of like Axie Infinity or something like that, or Mobox now, when Mobox was also less pricey and actually affordable to get in by the like average paying American. But now that's actually not possible with Mobox, because you can still play the game, but you're never gonna make money from the token master. You can only play those trading games that they give you, the 3 trading games. But although they're having new games being pushed out soon, those are your options. So this is another option, and I said join in at $300. Now it's $500, and then it's gonna be $1,000. I'm gonna still tell you to join in, but at some point it's gonna become like Mobox, where you can't join in because of the price. So yeah, if you bought this right now, if you bought like 3 or 4 of them, you could resell them in the future when it's Mobox Momo prices. or something like that. So you could fight monsters here. Redesign, GUI, and design. You can earn rewards. It doesn't say rewards estimated or anything because I don't have my my zone chosen and everything. But if you had 4 different zones, 4 different tribes, and you wanted to make some big money, whenever you have the chance to defeat these, you are actually gaining insane amount of BNB, 55 BNB and 45 BNB. So honestly, why won't you join this? You know, I'm saying that you should join it. There's a whole article on how does it work, why you should join it, and all of this, and how is it play to earn, updates, and all of that. And it's already popular now, CryptoZOON. It was a little popular before, but now it's even more popular. You can see the market cap is 33 million. I made the video on 19 million. And yeah, you should definitely join in. You can see 18,000 watch list. Before it was 14, 15,000. And it's climbing the ranks really fast. It went from 700 to 626. And it's still gonna go up in head. And you can see the volume in the 24 hours, 40 million. Before 17 million. So join now while you can. It's not gonna hurt. It's pretty profitable, I say. And there's big chances here that at some point it's gonna go as big as Mobox or a little under, whatever. It's still gonna be a big game, and it's already a pretty big game, I'd say. So join in while you can. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. You can also send me messages on Discord or Telegram on what game you want me to check out. And I'll see you guys later.